Hey guys, it's Annie here. We are at the Toy Story Hotel at Tokyo Disney. This is the brand new hotel that just opened here. So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. It is absolutely amazing. If you are a fan of Toy Story, you have to stay here. I'm gonna give you a full tour. So sit back, relax, and get ready. This is incredible. It feels like you're in Andy's room. We've got the cloud wallpaper here. We've got a Buzz Lightyear poster on the wall. And just look, so cute. And like the bed has like, you can see like the theming for Woody there. And then there's a drawing of Buzz and Woody on the wall. There's stars on the ceiling for the lights. And I just think it's so cool. It really looks awesome. You can fit a lot of people in this room. There's the two beds. There's also a trundle bed and a pull-down bed. And just look, you feel like you're in Andy's room. It's amazing. You see the toy box here, and the TV is an Etch-a-Sketch. That is my favorite detail here. And the toy box is actually the pull-down bed. So I'm not gonna show you all the way, but you get the idea. Actually, you know what? It's so easy. I'll pull it all the way down. Look at how cute. There's a bed underneath this one you can pull out here. Little trundle bed there. So you can get a lot of people in this room here. Also, since this is one of the newer hotels, we've got outlets and USB. This hotel gives you early entry to the parks. So you get the happy entry ticket when you check in. There's a little stool here and a desk area with a phone and some postcards. Also a notepad. The clock is a Mickey watch. There is a tea kettle. The bathroom is super cute. It's got bubbles on the mirror and puzzle pieces for the wallpaper. There's a hair dryer, and there's a little step stool for little ones. Really, really cute detail. The cups look like red Solo cups. You also get amenities here. So you've got, I think this is what, a toothbrush. Yes, a toothbrush. And then I'm guessing, okay, look, a little amenity kit with a hair tie, Q-tips and cotton, and a hairbrush, and some washcloths. The other hotels' amenities kits are usually like little metal souvenir kits. So these are just paper, plastic bag kind of things. We've got one side here has the toilet, and it's got the wallpaper with the puzzle pieces. It's nice because you can separate if someone's getting ready with the sink and someone wants to use the toilet or the shower. Then we have this side. I think it's interesting they have the towel rack on the outside of this door. But this is where the tub and shower is. There's also a shower. It's a shower head on the wall. There is not one on the ceiling, just the handheld. You get complimentary slippers to wear. You get to keep these and take them home with you. Since it's Toy Story, they have Woody on the front. But wait, one of the shoes has Andy written on the bottom. Is that not cool? You are one of Andy's toys now. There is only one chair and small table in the room, but there is the pull-down bed and the trundle bed, so there is plenty of space in here to have multiple people stay. And this is currently the newest hotel at the Tokyo Disney Resort. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the room. You can find more room tours here on the channel and more information about the hotels. And leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think of the room and what your favorite detail is. Mine is the Etch-a-Sketch TV. I will see you guys next time. Bye.